Welcome back. We've got David Grubb in studio this morning here to tell us about a big golf tournament coming up in Nevada and what it's raising money for. Thank you for coming in this morning.
Thank you. The golf tournament is just part of it. That provides money for our two main children's programs.
Right.
One was the MoChip, which I was on last month.
And so during Bushwhacker Days, you did IDing of different kids. Did you have a good turnout for that?
No.
No.
It rained. It messed up the whole day. We only had 12 kids, but that's 12 that got some protection. That's all it was to it.
Well, and then hopefully you'll be able to do it again. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And then the other one is what's called creating a partnership. All the money from the tournament goes to our charity account. We don't use this for the lodge at all. And this provides needed materials for school kids.
Okay.
We sponsor 3 different schools, Nevada, Sheldon, and Northeast Vernon.
So what do the schools use the money for?
Okay, they use it, the big expenditure is clothing.
Clothing.
For the disadvantaged kids. Then it's also school supplies, hygiene products.
Whatever they need, yeah.
And some for if the school has a certain need, rekeying the buildings, making them more secure, water dispensers and so forth. Just anything that's going to help the school and the kids and let them get along.
Okay, let's talk about the golf tournament itself, when it is and how you can enter and what people need to know about it.
Okay, the golf tournament is the 29th of this month.
Okay.
Before the tournament starts, we have cinnamon rolls.
Okay.
This one bakery only donated 90 for us.
Only 90.
And then we have bratwurst, hamburgers, hot dogs.
So lots of food.
Lots of food, and then potato chips, soft drinks. They're just coolers all over the course. Help themselves. That's all included in the fee.
Okay. Okay, so it's a 4-person scramble that day with
Correct.
a shotgun start. We'll have all the specific details for the tournament on our website so people can look that up if they
Right.
want to participate. But they do need to register by a certain date, correct?
Correct. I believe that's the 26th, yes.
Okay.
And all 4 of the par 3s are insured holes.
Ooh.
So a hole in one on number 18 is $5,000. Number 4 is $500. Number 7 is a year of Omaha Steaks. And on number 11, it's a set of Callaway irons.
And I saw that all golfers receive a coupon for a free golf club too.
Yes.
That's awesome. Okay, so there's a lot of perks to joining it.
Then we have a silent auction also.
Okay.
And we've got a lot of nice prizes on that.
Okay. Well, you can find out more information and where to go to register if you go to our website on the morning show page later this morning, KOAMnewsnow.com. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.